Hi, this is Carly from Zhongtuo roll forming machine, and today I will introduce the slotted anchor roll forming machine. We will export it to Turkey, and you can see for this machine we will use for the main use, and it is like a tube to connect with the main use. And for the thickness for this machine is 2.5 millimeter. And the max is 3 millimeter, but yours is very less to use it. And for the material for this machine is the GM material. Working speed can reach 15 meters per minute. And later I will show you details one part by one part. Okay, and same as before, and we will show you the decoiler first. This one is a manual decoiler. Also, you can choose the different automatic decoiler too. You can see for our decoiler, we use the 4 leaves, and to make sure it won't change the shape of the coil. If we use the 3, it will change the coil with a triangle. But for we use the 4 leaves, it won't change. And later, here you can see for the feeding part. This is our feeding part. We use the 2 rollers, and inside the roller we have the bearing, so can make sure won't scratch the surface of the material. And here we use the 4, here 2, and the other 2. This is the guiding rollers to make sure the material won't change the different levels, and you can make the material very straight to the main forming part. And for the main roll forming part, you can see we use totally 7 roll numbers to make the finished products. And this one we use the 2 rollers to shift. And this is a vertical design. And here we use the horizontal. So with the vertical and the horizontal, the whole main roll forming can make sure the material is very beautiful and very good products. And the machine also you can change the different size. You can change the 2, and you can change the whole rollers if you want to change the other size. And for this part, this is the counter for the machine, and you can count how many meters you want to cut. And this is the customized for this machine. It's different from the maybe the roofing sheet machine, the floor deck machine is different. This one is customized. It's more accurate for this machine. And this one is the other way. The turkey head can make sure the material, the product can go straight, very and can have a good level for the cutting part. And this is a hydraulic cutting. Also, when you do the cutting, it also have a hole with the cutting same time. This is the finished products. I will show you. Wait for this. When the cutting, it have a hole like this. And for the transmission for this machine, we use the very powerful and stable gearbox transmission. You can see it's very big. And for the machine, the power is very power too. And this one, the power is the 30 kilowatt, and the hydraulic cutting is 7.5 kilowatt. The total power for this machine is 37.5 kilowatt. Very powerful. This one is the hydraulic oil pump, and you can see we set a fan here to make sure the machine can work in long time and give a good heat dissipation. Also, here is a storage tank, can give the power for this cutting, hydraulic cutting. The speed will be much faster, and the power will be the energy will be much powerful than before for this storage tank. And for this one is a necking machine, and it's connected and matched with that machine. Also, some clients call it the shrinking machine. It's same. And you can see for here, we can give it necking.